Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can use the Stripe payment provider in Odoo e-commerce purchase. So for that, we have to configure our payment provider Stripe. So in the website configuration, here we can see the Stripe. I have already installed the Stripe module. Now we can set up the Stripe account. So I'll be doing it in the test mode, and we can add the publishable key and the secret key which we get from our developer portal. So in the developer portal, we can go check for that API key and copy that. So here it is publishable key, and I'll copy the secret key and paste it. So after saving this, we can see the webhook sign-in secret. Here we have a button to generate your webhook, which will connect our Odoo and Stripe. So currently it is the setup was successful. Now I'll just publish this payment provider, and let's try to do some shopping in the website. Let's purchase the Office combo. Okay, now we have an Office combo with 3 products. We'll go for the checkout, and after confirming the delivery address and the billing address, here we have the payment section where we have the payment method, which is card, and it is secured by the Stripe. So we can add the card number, which we'll be getting from the Stripe test card number. So I'll just add that. We can add the expiry and the security code. Now we have all the information for doing the payment. Just click on the pay now. Now our payment has been reflected to the Stripe. So we'll check in the Stripe transactions. So in the transactions, here we have 5 payments, which is already done. So now this is the current amount, and here you can see it is an uncaptured state right now. So to confirm that transaction, we have to go back into Odoo, and as an admin, I have to capture that transaction. So in the e-commerce, under the orders, here we have that particular order, and we have a capture transaction button and also a void transaction. If you want to refuse this particular order, we can simply click on the void transaction, or else we can capture the transaction and complete the payment. So now I have clicked on the capture transaction, and let's refresh the Stripe. Now we have a complete payment complete transaction in our Stripe account. So this is how we manage the transaction using website. Thank you.